Here, and you're probably wanting to make money online for years and years and years, but you just don't know how to do it. There's so many different ways to do it. Well, guys, I want to show you the best way to make money online, and it's something that's taken me from being a struggling gym owner 5 years ago to now being the top affiliate on ClickBank, having made millions of dollars online. And what I've done is I use a simple 3-step system, and I want to show you what's possible. As a matter of fact, come into my ClickBank account right now and take a look at what we got going on here. So you can see, guys, as I'm making this video right now, I've done $11,000 today. I've done $22,000 yesterday, $27,000 on Wednesday, and I've been able to do it, guys, with no employees, right? I've been able to do it with no, not even have my own product, my own website, none of that stuff, guys. All I do is I use a 3-step system that I put together. Now, I'm sure you're curious and I'm sure you're wondering how I've done it. So what I decided to do was to put together a full case study video outlining everything I've done, every step I've taken to get to the point where I'm making that kind of money every single day. So here's what I want you to do. Go ahead and click the link, register now for my free case study. Once you register, right, you're gonna get instant access to the case study. You're gonna see how I've been able to do it. You're gonna see how my students have been able to do it. But more importantly, you're gonna learn how you can do it too. So what are you waiting for, guys? Click the link, register now for my free case study, and I'll see you on the inside.
My name's Will, coming from Thailand, but I'm super pumped today because I've recently hit my first $1,000 day ever since I've joined Commission Hero, and it was actually yesterday, as you guys can see from the stats. July 24th, $1,047. I just want to make this video to thank Robbie and the rest of the Commission Hero members for being a huge part of my success. And the way I found this course was, I think, through some webinar, and Robbie was explaining how he made $900K in a month, something crazy like that, and how he has a whole course teaching people how to do this. So of course I wanted to jump in and see what's up. Before I started this course, I have no clue how to run Facebook ads, which set me up on a steep learning curve. But as I went through the course, things just clicked for me, right? Because it's so intuitive. It's the way that things are taught. So from that day on, I just kept at it, trying something every day, learning something every day, and I just kept asking questions in the Facebook group that Robbie provided, and that's honestly been a very big factor for me getting to this 1K day, is by asking a lot of questions and just moving on beyond the hurdles, right? All the obstacles. And it's no different from learning a new language, in my opinion. It's honestly, you just gotta take action every day and do something new, because the more you do, the more you learn, and the more you learn, the more you earn, is what I go by. I literally just made that up, but it sounds about right? But anyways, I'll leave you on that note, and thank you again, Robbie, for putting this course together. I'm eternally grateful, and I'm sure a lot of the members would say the same thing. But here's to many more $1,000 days, and possibly $10,000 days, who knows.
So I've got my own offer on ClickBank, so I'm not new to affiliate marketing. Generating leads to try and sell my own product on the back end, which is great. You know, it does the job, and I was breaking even some days, and other days, you know, making a loss. But I was not really able to scale to a good degree. So when Robbie put out the course, I was like, I'm having it. I didn't even watch the webinar. I was just waiting for the buy button. And it's been a big eye opener for me, and it's been working really well. I'll show you my my ClickBank account quickly.
We've got the last few weeks, so you know, there's a bit of a drop in the middle there where I've started to play around with things, trying to tinker with the website, with the landing pages. And this is without an opt-in now, so you know, it's $710 yesterday without an opt-in, which is really cool, and we're trying to bring that up now.
So does Robbie's course work? It certainly does, but you've got to make sure that you actually take action on it. So if you do jump inside, watch all the videos, ask questions, and really do take action on it.